Welcome back everybody. So today I have a small ash bowl, I have some glow powder, but most of all I have some fire. Let's see if we can get this to work. On with the video.
I might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at ya, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark.
There guys, so we've got the bowl turned to the shape that we want it. So now we're going to go and take some fire to it. So now I can't stress this enough, if you're going to be doing this in your workshop, make sure that your workshop is properly ventilated. Unfortunately my workshop's quite small, so I'm going to be doing it outside. But like I said, make sure your workshop's properly ventilated and you've cleaned up all the shavings and sawdust from around your working space, because it could be potentially dangerous. So yeah, let's take the camera outside and take some flames to this bowl. So yeah, let's get out of there. Right, so now we've gone and got all that burnt up. Now what we want to do is we want to take a wire brush or something and just clear all the grain of all of the old soot and all that sort of stuff, and just clear it all up. So yeah, let's put it back on the lathe and clear all that grain. Whew.
You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel loving. You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms, and I still want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say...
Right, so we've cleared all of the grain of soot and things like that. So the next step is to fill that with glow powder. So what we're going to do now is mix the glow powder with some soft wax. My choice of wax is the microcrystalline wax from Hampshire Sheen. So what we're going to do now is mix the two together, and then we're going to rub that into the wood and then buff it out. And then hopefully what will happen is the wax and the glow powder will sit inside of the grain, and once it gets dark, it should be left in the grain and then glow quite nicely. So let's see how it goes. So on with the mixing.
I want you back, back, cause I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you. And every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart? Can't you mend my heart? I want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Yeah, I want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, back, cause I got you stuck in my memory. This is the call that you've been. One, two, three. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, back, cause I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory.
Do what you do. You know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say. I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. All night.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.